So now that you have the properties boundary and also you have the contour lines ready, the next step is adding the survey points to this drawing. So what you're going to do is that we are using these drawings. As you can see, at the end and the start of each contour line we have these points, and somewhere in the middle we have like at least 3 points, 3 survey points. So I want you to use these drawings in order to adding the survey points to this DWG file. So what we're going to do is that first we are setting the point style in our drawing set. So what we're going to do is that we're going to utilities and finding the point style. So under the utilities, point style, I'm gonna go over and change the point style. As you can see, it's like a little dots. We're gonna change it to something like a circle with like a two center line, and we're gonna choose that one. And then we're gonna change the point size to 12-inch. And in the settings, we make sure that the set size is absolute unit, so it's not relative to the screen. When we zoom in or zoom out, it's going to be changing the size of that point. Then press OK, and now we are adding the points to different locations. So in order to add the points using the command point or PO, and we start placing our points. First point is going to be here. So before doing that, I'm going to go down here, making sure that I want to deselect the perpendicular, and getting back here. The end point of here is going to be 1 point. Again, in order to run the previous command, I can press enter or space. So if I press space without typing it, the last command will be run automatically. So now that I run the points, I'm going to put it here again. Again, to run the command one more time, pressing space and starting from this point, going all the way up and to the end. For the points that are in the center of your drawing, what I want you to do is that just making sure that in the snap points, the nearest snap is on, and then when I running the commands points, you see that when I run the commands alongside this contour line, it's gonna attach to that specific line. So clicking here, one I'm gonna add here, the other one here, somewhere at the end of this part, and here. So what I want you to do is that just use these drawings and complete the sets of all the other points that you see. And then we're going to get back and start adding a text using the annotative text to the drawing.